JC. It's whatever they call me. I am back with Hair Porno Tuesdays, and today will be all about protective styling. But I'm getting here real quick so I can show you my hair look like before. This is my wash day. I'm not gonna be showing you wash day just yet because gotta get this little stuff from my hair out because this is year 3 type of flight situations. My hair now is fully detangled and it's in 4. Well, it's in like 6 twists. I think it's an 8. It's an 8 twists, 4 on each sides. And also, today is, I'm going to be showing you a protective style. But let me show you what I'm about to do. First, what's in my hair right now is my aloe vera juice mixed with peppermint oil. And what also is in it is coconut oil to help detangle. How to detangle with that. And I use this. This right here has been my lifesaver. I'm probably going to be using this a little bit later. But this helped for him detangling to get all the little knots I had in there. And then I'm going to be doing this. Wash day with, with the Jamaican black castor oil line. This is my staple, as y'all know. I love using Jamaican black castor oil line because of the 3 main ingredients. The organic shea butter, the Jamaican black castor oil, and peppermint oil. And you know, this has good shea butter. Now, what I'm going to be doing today is this. I'm not going to be showing you my wash day. I'm not ready for that just yet. But I'm going to be giving you a full what I'm going to do for my protective style. And I'm going to show you a traditional version of an LOC. LOC with my protective style. Now that means I'm not going to be using my very favorite thing in the world, aloe vera juice. I'm going to be using 2 different. This is going to be, I'm going to start off with this. This was my Shea Moistures Jamaican black castor oil, straight to restore, leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to be following up with my very special in the world, my oil mix. Yes. After my oil mix, I will be doing, last but not least, a C. C means cream, and the cream today will be this. This is the Shea Moisture. Yeah, get it now. This is the Shea Moisture Strength and Restore LOC and Braid Butter. Now that means that this has a lot of good nutrients in it as well. Now I'm going to be my wash day and I'll be right back with you. And let me explain my wash day one more time to you. Since my hair is already fully detangled, my first part of my wash day is this. I'm going to be just focusing on my roots, and then the second time I'm going to focus on all of it. When I say focus on all that, that means the shampoo is going to be fully coated for 2 shampoos, and then I'm going to be doing my conditioner, and then I'm going to be using my mask. And my mask is right here. I have my conditioner, it's just already right there, so I'm not really going to take that out. So, without further ado, Hair Porno Tuesdays, don't you want it? I'll see you in a few. Alright, I'm back. Now, I just washed my hair as I showed you most of the products I use for a wash day. Yes, this is fully washed hair. It went from kind of like 8 twists all over, and now it's like 6. And you're like, what is this? This is Bantu knots. These are twisted Bantu knots, as you see. I'm going to take one down for you right now. Yeah, I'm going to take this whole side down. And this is how my hair comes out. Now, what happens... Why did I do it like this? Remember, my hair was twisted. So, that means this. My hair was in 2 strand twists all over. Let me do this last one, too. On this one side. So, you can show the difference. What happens is this. When you have your hair twisted and you're like, okay, well, I did this section. So I was like, okay, well, all right, unwind, add a conditioner, unwind, add the shampoo, unwind, add the mask. Same way, and then you just twist it and you just place it in place. It's kind of like an easy way. Let's take them all down, though. Because I'm going to do something different for how I do my styling. Yeah. Okay. So as you see, this is how my hair looks right now. Now, it being twisted helps a lot. Now, what you need now is this. Get your trusted band. And we're going to just do these 2 right here. I like to do my back first. What I'm going to do now is 2 strand twists, but I'm going to be smaller twisting. I'm trying my best not to go too chunky. I like to go like really small. I don't like to go too small. Let me take this one out completely. Now, when doing wash day twist, that means your hair is so juicy, full of the conditioner, full of juice, and then it gets juicy because of the mask, and then you wash it all out, and your hair is all like, oh, I missed that. And it's like, okay, cool. So your hair is all good and juicy. Now this is me having you just twisting it out, and you're like, ooh, it looks good. Thank you. But we're doing a protective style. Now, as a reminder, I wear glasses. So since I don't wear my contacts right now, a little bit of must, not must, but you see that right there. Let's not mind that. It'll go away. Once I take my glasses off, I gotta wipe it off. So how are we doing this? Now to do Two Strand Twist means this. You need to add your moisture first. Adding an LOC Method, as you know, is my go-to. Today I'm going to be adding two different C's, but I actually consider this my L. Why is this an L? A leave-in conditioner is a great C, but for a lot of times it is considered a lot of people's L's. Why is it an L? Not because of this product line. Leave-in conditioners are mostly known to be more like this. You see that it's more drooping? That's because it has more water base in there. So that being that's the only main reason. So it has all this nutrients, and it also is kind of like you add a little bit moisture back. You might say, well, just watch it. You just did all that. Nah, I know. But it being your L is also like a great L because it has all the nutrients from the product line, having like organic shea butter, black drinking castor, and peppermint, all in that. And then it has all these other ingredients. That's what's so great about having like shea moisture. When it has an L. Now my L, as you know, is just a traditional L. My L is just like say water, but instead I do aloe vera juice to help my pH balance. And see how droopy it is, and now it just naturally just coats in. Now we're gonna build this up. We're just gonna build up the back, and then I'm gonna do this as well. I'm just showing you how I'm doing it. So I may not be showing you how I do the twist, but I'm showing you what I'm doing for my twist. You know what I'm saying? So I don't make this video too long. I don't want y'all to be like, ooh, another 20 minutes. Now, what I'm doing now is my L, my O. This is my oil mix. As you know, I use a spray bottle, and this is my own concoction. And just spray all over. You spray your back. Another way to do it is like this. You just put it in your hand. Just go like this with the palm. And you just go like that, and you do your palm method. Now, I like both methods. It's always kind of up to you. And this is just to get that back out good. And I already feel like a lot of moisture in there, and all that good juiciness. What I love about my oil is that my oil, naturally my hair likes to suck it up and just sort of juices it a lot. And last but not least is this. This is kind of considered the star of the show. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna use that much yet because when I say this, once I put this in, I'm gonna twist all my hair. So I'm about to be a real quickie. Today, C is this. This is once again. This is the star of the show today. This is the Jamaican Castor, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, Strength and Restore Lock and Braid Butter. Now this has, as traditional, shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Now, as a key thing about butter, as I want y'all to know always, is this. You see this? You see that movement? You see how much I'm shaking? Now, right there, enough is that's the white consistency. But the thing about butter is this. It spreads and then it just guides almost exactly like the leave-in conditioner. But the difference between the two is not only the hue. Butter is mostly whipped. And the thing about this that's so great is that it makes your hair it's a different consistency. And it just makes all three together. It's like a great bond. So what is this? This is a pile-on. Why is it considered a pile-on? I like calling it pile-on because it's 3 different ingredients, but this is considered a mashup, and traditionally, this really is just a LOC. Now, what I'm about to do right now is get right off, and I'm going to show you a little bit more of it to the front. So, let me go. Don't you want to? Hair porn. Let's go. Alright, okay, I'm back. And as you know, as you see, the hair is happening. Like I told you before, I'm doing 2 Strand Twists with a 3O. Now my hair is now almost all done except the top, which I'm using this band to hold the last two. Now, yeah, I look a little crazy, but I got you. I'm gonna just do one on camera and I'm gonna do the last one off. So let's go. So what I want to do is unstrand one side, and you unstrand both, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna do this because it just makes more sense just to do it this time. Now get a little bit like this much, this is 2 fingers. And what I'm going to do now is put it into the palm method with my first item. Now the first item I'm using is, get it on the right screen, is a leave conditioner. Now what I'm going to do now is this. Now you go from all the way down. You keep going through your hands, just a little bit through, like that. And then you add a little bit. Now, what I do for my oil sometimes is this as well. I just hold almost all my hair together. And then it's going to be all the oil, like kind of just spread it out like that. See? Feel it? And last but not least, we're going to add the cream. That's too much cream, but it's okay. Now, what we're going to do now is this. Keep going upwards for your hair to be fully saturated like that. And then you just kind of just guide. I don't do like knee twists. Let me know now. I just go like kind of like a seek and find. I go to the back. You see how much hair is out right here? All right, cool. Now we're going small, but I like this much section, so we're gonna half this up, or we'll half this up. Now go like this for both hands, and then we're gonna do two strand this. See? As you see, I go real fast, and then at a certain point, I just swirl. Pull my finger like that, all the way down. And it's done. Now, to kind of get this really neat is this way. Go like that way, right there. And as I said, try your best to guide your hair downwards, and we'll go like this. This is a little bit bigger. I gotta go with a medium and small type of ratio with my hair, because like the back, I kind of like having bigger, and the back and the front, I'll have like a little bit smaller, so it frames my face more. And right now what we're doing is pretty much just twisting this one all the way down, and at a certain point, like I said, just keep twisting it out. And what it's gonna do is gonna give it like that nice little swirly thing at the end. See? Alright, we gotta get this back going on first. I'm getting the rest of my kind of my crown area. And then I can probably start doing the front part. Let's see. Make sure you feel your back one more time. What I do a lot of times is this. I have to keep feeling it just to make sure I don't miss any hair out. Which people are like, what? That happens. Yes, it does. It happens from time to time. And as you see, I just keep going as I talk to y'all. There you go. Like that. Now go to your front like this. Boom, boom, boom. And we just kind of just section it off. Since I'm doing my front, I try to frame my face as much as I go. Now, as you see, I'm not adding any more product because all the product is all in my hair now. Now, this one's smaller, but be as precise as possible, because and like that, you just keep going down. Okay. See? And we have like about 3 more we're going to be doing right here. And as you see, like this didn't take that much time. So this tells you kind of, this can show you how much time it took me to do the rest of my hair. And I'm about to finish this off camera. Like that. And if you ask this question, like why do I go so fast? It's just natural. I've done twists my whole natural journey. Doing 2 strand twists is like my go-to for my hair. And it's kind of something I learned first, and I was kind of skeptical. It took about a week, and then after a while, I just fell in love with it. Yeah, it took like a lot of tries. My first time, I had to ask my mom to finish them because my hands got so tired. So if you're a beginner, please understand this takes a little bit more time, practice, and precision. And it's like after that, it's so easy to do. And you're like, oh, it's just like. You watch it, you'll be like, oh, I do this so easy. I just do this all the time. And it's so much fun. Now, this one, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to put these together, even though it's a little bit big. To me, it's big, but watch it when I finish it. It just looks normal. And as you see, this didn't take that long. This took about 6 minutes to add the moisturize and everything like that. And now this side is done. And I'll be back when this side gets done. Alright, Hair Porno Tuesday. So, I'm back, and this is the last part. As you see, this is my curls now. And my hair is in full Two Strand Twist. Yes. This is really simple. I know a lot of people ask this question a lot. Most common questions I get will be this. Let me get my face a little bit. That's on my face. How long does this last? It is up to you. I am one of those people that loves seeing my curls. I will try my best to be honest with you. 5 days is a lot for me. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I take it out sometimes. Sometimes it's will be 2 weeker. And as you see, that's pretty much it. Exercise like this, good go-tos. I'm gonna just give you a little bit of a rundown of what I like to do while I'm doing this. I really don't add moisture while my hair is in a 2 weeker or even in a 5 days. Day 2 or day 3, I will add more oil mix to my scalp because your hair needs it. Now that means 2 to 3 days times out of the week. That's all you add. Like that's day 3, 3 more days, and then after a 2 week span, that's probably like 4 times, upwards to 6. If you feel like your scalp needs it. Now this is what my curls looks like. As you see, the hue, the white hue that this side has, disappears. So all in all, I'm just take this hairstyle, washing it all included. This took a little bit longer because I did a lot of detangling prior. So this was like maybe a 2-hour situation, mostly 2 hours and 30 minutes. But truly twists and all, it took probably about 40 minutes. That's 40 minutes, and then the wash day happened. And I told you before, since I'm being particular, I like that. I did that because it helped. And I was kind of scared earlier. I don't know a lot about that. But having utensils like this helps out a lot. Now, I'll see you with the next one. If you do like this video, thumb me up as you've seen this whole time. We'll put a thumb up somewhere over there. But all in all, try to stay woke, try to get woke. If you really love watching this video, I'll give you another week of this, and if it lasts another week, then I get to tell you what I did to maintain. See you with the next one.